All right, guys, I have been practicing dental hygiene for over 20 years, and before that, I was a dental assistant for many years. And I know the toll our profession can take on our body. We've all had those patients come into our chair and say they can't lean back for whatever reason. And so we compensate for that. And year after year, that can take a toll on us as we take care of our patients. So yoga's been a big part of my life's journey, and I did my teacher training 200 hours a couple years ago. And so I thought it would be fun to come up with some easy poses to help alleviate some of that strain and tension that we carry in our body. So jump out of those scrubs and into something more comfy, and let's get started. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started in a seated position. And if you have a mat, that's great. You can use a towel, blanket, or just the ground. And go ahead, place your hands on your knees. You can place them in front of you if that's more comfortable. And then softly close your eyes. We're gonna focus on a few deep breaths here. So go ahead and take a deep breath in for 1, 2, 3, hold, open your mouth, and then exhale. Again, breathe in for 1, 2, 3, and hold, and then exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time, inhale, 1, 2, 3, hold, open your mouth, and slowly exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Bring your arms up overhead, and we're gonna dive our arms forward. Got all over here, so let me turn this way. And then bring your head down. Your forehead's gonna touch the mat. And then walk your fingertips up to the front of the room and just feel that stretch, almost like you feel like you have a shirt lifting up on your back. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Deep breath in again. Exhale. Make sure your sit bones are on the ground as much as possible. Just feel that really nice deep stretch. And then come halfway up, and we're going to walk over to your right side. Keep your sit bones down. Stomach over your thigh. You can try to put your forehead to your knee. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Deep breath in again and exhale. Walk over to the opposite side of. All right, we're going to try that again. Bring your arms out in front of you and then walk to the opposite side of the room. Keep your navel on your thighs, sit bones down, and drop your forehead to your knee. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Deep breath in again and exhale, and then walk back over to center. And we're going to lift half up while we place our forearm on the floor or the ground. Take your opposite arm, reach up overhead, making a rainbow as you turn your chin towards under your arm. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Deep breath in again. Exhale. Feel that long stretch all the way from your elbow through your arm, down to your hip, and maybe even your knee. And come back up to center, and we're gonna place the opposite forearm on the ground or floor, and rainbow your arm on the opposite side, up and over. Start to turn your chin towards your underarm, your hips down towards the ground. Take a deep breath in, exhale. Take a deep breath in again. Exhale. And then push yourself back up to center. Take your hand and feel your collarbone and just start pressing gently around your collarbone and gently massage your neck, your shoulder. And as you have your head tilted, gently place your hand on top of your head, and you can slowly tilt your chin down towards the ground for a little neck stretch. Take a deep breath in, exhale, take a deep breath in again, and exhale. And then come back up to center and tilt your head to the opposite side. Feel your collarbone again. Little presses. And then gently, little squeezes around your neck. It's like you're giving yourself a little mini massage. Feel around your shoulders. And then take your hand and gently place it on top of your head for that really good neck stretch. Take a deep breath in and exhale. You can even turn your chin down towards the ground. Take a deep breath in again and exhale. Come back to center. Bring your legs out in front of you. Palms directly behind on each side of your hip. Your feet are hip width apart, and push into your palms and into your feet as you lift your hips up. Keep your core engaged, and then gently, softly lower your head down. Place your tongue behind your two front teeth. Push up, keep your core engaged. If you need to take a break for a second because it's really hard on your wrists, you can, and then push yourself back up. Drop your head softly down, and then come back to a seated position. Bring your arms out in front of you to tabletop. Your hands under your shoulders. Your knees are hip width apart. And we'll go into cat-cow stretches. Lower your abdomen down as you look up towards the sky. Inhale. And exhale. Drop your head down. Forehead towards your navel. Inhale, look up, and exhale, down. Inhale, look up, and exhale, down. We're gonna come all the way down to the floor. Palms directly under your shoulders. Lift up one leg and stretch it back towards the back of the room. Lift up the other leg and stretch it back, and feel that long stretch in your legs. Tops of your feet are pressing into the mat. Palms pressing into the mat. Elbows in by your side. Forehead down on your mat. And feel that foundation there. Feel your hips pressing in. And then as you breathe in for an inhale, push yourself up. Your palms are just gently touching the floor. And you don't need to be in a full cobra right now. You can just be in a baby cobra as we're especially warming up the back. And gently just keep your shoulders back, forehead forward. And breathe in and exhale. And then slowly lower your ear down to your mat. You can relax your hands by your side. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Bring your arms and hands under your shoulder. And then push yourself up for a little bit. Deeper stretch. Shoulders back. Feet are pushing into the mat. And then lower down your ear on the opposite side down. And then relax your arms. Slide the palms of your hands under your shoulder. Push yourself up and back for a forward fold and then into a nice child's pose. You can open up your knees, reach your arms out in front of you. You can walk your fingertips out a little bit more for that really nice arm stretch into your lower back. Your forehead's just gently resting on your mat. Take a deep breath in and exhale. And then turn your toes under and push yourself up into a downward facing dog. This is going to feel different to everyone. Main thing is you want to keep your hips lifted, your palms evenly dispersed on the mat, especially between your thumb and your index finger. And if you want to keep your legs straight and push towards your thighs, you can. And keep pedaling your feet. Rotate your shoulders away from your ears. Sometimes it helps to bend your knees and then stand back up, pushing your chest towards your thigh. And the heels of your feet don't need to be directly on the mat. Again, this is going to feel different in everyone's body. Such a great exercise to do every day. Slowly start to turn yourself around and gently lay down onto the mat. Your back is pressing into the ground. Keep your knees bent. And then bring your arms out to each side and start to drop your knees down to one side of the room, and then turn your head to the opposite direction. If you want a deeper stretch, you can pull your knee over and down. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. And exhale. Bring your both knees up to the center of the room and turn over onto the other side. Turn your head over towards your other shoulder. And then again, if you need a deeper stretch, take your opposite hand and place it on your knee and pull it gently over. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Deep breath in again. Exhale. Bring both your knees back to the center. And then with your arms down by your side, extend your legs out for Shavasana, palms facing up. And then just start to relax your breath. Softly close your eyes. Feel the muscles in your jaw relax and your eye muscles relax. Feel your tongue being loose. Feel your shoulders release into your mat. Your thighs are releasing into your mat. Relax your toes. Take a deep breath in. And slowly release. Just focus on your breath. Start to wiggle your toes, wiggle your hands. Rotate your wrists around one way and your ankles one way, and then rotate them the other direction. And then we'll go ahead and come to a fetal position. Push yourself back up to seated. Place your hands in front of you or on your knees. And thanks for joining us today. All right, guys, hopefully that relieves some stress that you may have been feeling in your body. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.